In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Instagram to Wix. If you want your latest Instagram photos and reels to appear right on your website, this quick setup inside the Wix editor will get you there. We'll start in the workspace where you edit your site, add the Instagram element, and connect it to your account so it pulls your feed automatically. I'll explain what to click and why, plus a few simple layout tips so it looks great the moment it lands on your page. First, make sure you're in your Wix work area, also known as the editor, with the page open where you want Instagram to appear. Look to the top left corner for the Add button. It typically shows a plus icon and opens a panel of elements you can place on your site. Click it. This is where Wix keeps common building blocks like text, image galleries, and most importantly for us, the social options. In the Add panel, scroll or browse through the categories until you find social. Click Social to reveal the available social tools. You'll see things like social icons or a social bar, and you should also see an Instagram option. That Instagram element is what displays your feed automatically, so you don't have to update images by hand. Choosing it ensures your site stays fresh every time you post on your account. Now, click and drag the Instagram element onto your page. As you drag, use the blue guidelines to align it with your layout, and drop it where you want visitors to see your latest content. You can resize the element by dragging its handles, and you can move it later if you change your mind. Place it in a section with enough width for multiple thumbnails, so the grid feels balanced on desktop and still stacks neatly on mobile. To connect it, double-click the Instagram element. This opens its settings where you'll see a Connect or Setup option. Follow the prompt to sign into your Instagram account and authorize the connection. Once connected, the element pulls your recent posts automatically. In the same settings panel, adjust simple display options like the number of columns, spacing, and what happens when someone clicks a post. Keep the grid tight enough to look clean, but with a little breathing room so each image stands out. That's it. Your Instagram feed is now linked to your Wix site and will keep updating as you share new content.